Okay, hello everyone. My name is Paola Studillo. I'm 26 years old and I live in Cuenca. So, for this video, I'm going to talk about of using classroom-based language assessments. So, let's start. Okay, it's important to mention that we use classroom-based language assessment because we want to use the information that we get of our students' assessment to help us to understand their language abilities and obviously to make the decisions to improve the teaching learning of our students. Also, we use classroom based language assessment to help make good things happen for our students, for ourselves, for our schools, and for our institutes. So, okay, we have here some actions that can improve the beneficial consequences of using classroom-based language assessments. For example, we have here apply the watchback. All we know that in the watchback are all the things that a teacher does to improve their teaching. So when a teacher applies the watchback, the teacher value value success on the test above developing skills. Also, a teacher consider success on the test to be challenging, and the teacher working in a context where these perceptions are shared by other participants. And other actions, for example, we have is recognize correctly the level of our students to can teach them in an appropriate way. Also, an action is change the material, or if it's necessary, the teacher change the material or change the weight of the material are used, or 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 the weight of the material are distributed among the students. Another action is provide the feedback of the topics that have been studied before. Okay, so we have here uh, we have here the beneficial consequences of using classroom-based language assessment. For example, we have beneficial consequences for students, for teachers, and for others. For example, to the students will improve their language ability and learner. Also, the students will be ready to receive instruction at appropriate level, and the students will improve their skills, for example, about speaking, about listening, about reading, writing, and others. And some beneficial consequences for teacher are that teacher will be able to teach students correctly or in a better way. Also, the teachers won't have complaints with other teachers or students or with the parents of the students. And other consequences are, for example, the reputation of the school or the institute will improve, and the parents of our students will be satisfied with their children learning. So this is my contribute to the topic, and here we have the bibliographic references. So it's all. Thank you.